Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is Tolani's hair. Summer is almost over, right? So she's almost over. School starts when?
In a week.
In a week, and she has...
In a week and 2 days.
In a week and 2 days, yeah. So she has had her hair in twists, and she has been swimming, she has been playing outside. And normally what we're going to do is that we're going to refresh our hair. I'm going to redo our hair. We are going to be using products sent to us by HairGarten, and this is the first product that we're going to use in that line. This is their vitamin co-wash. This is from HairGarten. So this is the vitamin co-wash, and as you can see it's a creamy consistency like that. Very creamy consistency. And the smell, what does it smell like?
It smells like icing.
Like icing. So it smells like icing. And this product promises to impact a lot of moisture into the hair. And also what you do is that you use it, you apply it to the hair and you apply it to the scalp and you leave it in for 15 minutes and then you rinse out. So to start off with our hair, what we're going to do is we're first going to wet our hair. So let's go over and wet your hair and then we'll be right back. So we've wet our hair, and while I was wetting our hair, because she used rubber bands underneath her hair, there was a little bit of build-up down there. So I just used the water to remove the build-up. So I just massaged her hair like that. So I'm going to take the co-wash, and this is what the co-wash looks like. I'm going to be applying it on the hair. If you notice, I'm not loosening the hair to remove the twist from my hair. This is one way that we retain hair growth length, by washing the hair, doing everything while it's in twist. So if you're someone that you're struggling with growing your child's hair and you notice that on wash day the hair breaks a lot, there's no problem with washing the hair while it's in twist. Now a co-wash, if you're someone that you've never used a co-wash before, a co-wash is a gentler type of cleanser. So if you use a co-wash in terms of cleansing the hair, just know that the co-wash is a gentler type of cleanser. And the other thing about co-wash compared to using shampoos is that co-wash also adds in moisture. So as you know, there's some shampoos that really strip moisture out of the hair, but co-wash will add in moisture. This particular co-wash is important and is so useful in adding moisture into the hair, especially in the summertime and even in the winter time when the hair is dry. You can use a co-wash to do that. So I've already applied the co-wash first to the scalp of the hair, and then next we're going to apply it to the length of the hair. So just starting off with the ends of the hair, you want to take the co-wash and you want to apply it generously to the end, because the end is the driest part, and then you're going to walk through the length of the hair. If you're wondering, the ingredients of this product starts with distilled water, and then the cool thing about this, it contains chia seed. Now if you don't know, chia seed helps with omega-3, omega-6, which strengthens the hair, and it also contains things such as a blend of vitamin E, vitamin C, B5, B6. And yeah, so this is a very gentle co-wash. It doesn't have so much synthetic ingredients in it. So we've applied it throughout the length of our hair, and I'm also going to apply it to our edges just to add more moisture onto that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the plastic cap and I'll be covering our hair, and we'll keep it in the plastic cap for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we've rinsed off the co-wash from our hair and we've towel dried our hair, and our hair still is in twist. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to retwist our hair, like moisturize our hair and retwist it. And this is one way to retain, as I've been saying, to retain hair growth length, especially on wash day. So I'm going to take the spray. So this is the HairGarten spray. This is the vitamin moisturizing mist, and this mist contains water, aloe vera, water, and also the mixture of the vitamins that I mentioned earlier. So what you're going to do is you're going to shake it real good, and we're gonna just spray it to the hair. So you want to first start off by spraying it to the scalp first. So spray this throughout the scalp, and it has a very, very relaxing smell, don't you think? Yeah, it's a really nice, it's not overpowering at all. So you want to really spray it in. Our hair is high porosity, so our hair absolutely loves aloe vera juice. Lift up your head a little bit. So we're just gonna keep on spraying it, and you can also use this if you are doing the lock method, LOC method. You can use the following steps that I'm showing you for the LOC method. So all you're doing is you're just spraying it to the scalp, spraying it all over. You can get it in between the twist like that. So just get it in between the twist like that. So after spraying it, I'm gonna just massage it through the length of our hair, and also massage our scalp. Give the scalp a very nice massage, very, very relaxing. And by massaging it in, you're massaging the nutrients into our hair. Next, we're going to be using the vitamin moisture lock oil. So this oil, the purpose of this oil is also to be used following the liquid. So this is the LOC method of doing things. So I'm going to put the oil onto our scalp, and I'm going to tell you the ingredients of this oil. So you want to put it into the scalp first. You can see how gentle, and it's a light oil. It's not so heavy. It's a very, very light oil. You see? Yeah. So you're just going to put it throughout a scalp like that. So doing everything while the hair is in twist. Okay? I'm going to take a little bit of the oil, take some of the oil, and I'm going to rub my hands together, apply it throughout the length of the hair. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to also massage the scalp so that the oil distributes through the scalp. So massaging the scalp, you're going to get more. And we're going to do the same thing again, apply it through the length of the hair to the ends of the hair, and then massage. So the last thing that we use is a cream. So you're doing the LOC method. We're going to use a cream. This is the Vita Crush Moisture Cream. I was telling you that the oil and the liquid, the mist, this is your LOC method, LOC method, to give you moisture lock, to moisture lock your hair, to reduce breakage. So the oil itself, it contains, of course, castor oil. You all know that castor oil is really, really good for retaining hair growth, and it also contains chia seed oil too. So we have the cream here, and this is the cream. The cream is really, really packed with high moisture. So I'm gonna show you the consistency of the cream. See? It's not a heavy cream at all. So we're gonna take the cream, and now we're gonna just apply the cream throughout the length of the hair. Now, so taking more of the cream throughout the length of the hair, I'm gonna just apply it like that. You can see I'm applying it, especially putting more to the ends of the hair. Now, we have applied the cream, we've applied the oil. Now, it is time to style the hair. So things are quite simple now, because if you decide that you want to keep the hair in twist for back to school, you can. But today we're going to do a simple style. And we're going to first unravel the hair, and I'll show you. So she's going to take that part, I'm going to take that part. So we're just going to unravel the hair like this. You see? And if you did a good job in detangling the hair before you put it into twist, then you will not have a problem with unraveling the hair. So keep on unravel the hair, and this is what our hair looks like after we unraveled it. It's a nice, almost like a twist out like that. So this is what our hair looks like, and she can go out like this pretty much. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to do a light styling, and so simple to do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get my hair brush, and I'm just going to brush our hair very lightly. I'm going to get my rattle comb, create a part in the middle. So Tolani, what grade are you going to this school year?
I'm going to 8th grade.
So she's going to 8th grade, and she's doing so many things, including chair. And so this is a simple, very, very simple style that you can do just wearing your hair out, and you're not putting too many products in there. So I'm just going to take this. I'm gonna get what do you call this, bobby pin. So I'm just gonna bobby pin our hair on this side like that, and then we're gonna do the other side also. Just swoop it like this, and I'm going to bobby pin it on that side.
I have some colored bobby pins.
You have some colored bobby pins? Okay, we're gonna get some colored bobby pins. I actually have some here too. We do have some fancy bobby pins right here, so we're just gonna take that. So this is a love bobby pin. Just gonna put that over there like that, and take the other one. Switch. And you see, today's wash day, it took just less than 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes and you are done. So this is a style. This is a cute. You like it? So this is a very
cute.
Yeah, you like it. So this is a cute style. So what do you think about this style?
I think it's cute. I'd wear it to school. I'd show my friends.
Yeah, so I want to say thank you so much to HairGarten for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate it. And this is the full look. So turn around. Yay! Very, very cute. Very, very cute.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.